Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restrict or unrestrict people in the Threads app. If you want to control who can interact with you without blocking them completely, this feature is really useful. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your app store and in the search bar type Threads. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once you've updated the app, simply open the Threads app and go to your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the two lines in the top right corner. From here, tap on Account, then go to Privacy Settings. Now tap on Restricted People. Here you will see the list of restricted accounts, and you can easily unrestrict anyone you want. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.